In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use backlinks in Notion. Backlinks help you connect ideas across your workspace so you can jump between related pages and see where a topic is referenced without hunting around. Think of them as the thread that weaves your notes, projects, and docs into a single, discoverable knowledge web. Let's start with the different ways to create a link to another page right inside your text. The quickest is to type two left brackets. Then start typing the name of the page. As you type, Notion will suggest matches. Pick the page you want and the link drops right into your sentence. If the page doesn't exist yet, you can create it on the fly and keep writing. You can also mention a page using the @ symbol. Type the @, then the page name and select it from the suggestions. This works great when you are already in the flow and want to reference something without breaking your pace. Another handy shortcut is the plus symbol. Type the plus sign and the page name to insert a link inline. It behaves much like the other methods, so choose whichever feels most natural as you type. If you want a dedicated standalone link that sits on its own line, use the / command. Type a / and the word link. Then choose link to page. This creates a block that clearly points readers to a related page. Perfect for indexes or summaries. Once a link exists anywhere in your workspace, the page you linked to will show a backlink indicator. Look for a small gray button labeled with the word backlinks and a number just under the page title. If you are viewing a database entry, you'll find it below the properties. Click that button to expand a list of every page where the current page is mentioned. When you click any item in the list, Notion takes you to the exact block where the mention appears, so you see the full context, not just the page. You can also control how visible these backlinks are. Open the three-dot menu at the top right of the page, select Customize Page, then choose Backlinks. Pick Always Show if you want the full list to appear at the top of the page. Great for hub pages or research notes. Choose Show on Hover only to keep things tidy while still making backlinks easy to access when you need them. Or select Off if you prefer a completely minimal view and don't want the backlink section to display. That's it. Use links to connect your content, check the backlinks to navigate your knowledge graph, and tailor the visibility to match your workflow. Thanks for watching.